guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I'm going to be installing some letterings on my tires. I'm gonna show you. I got my Cosmix R5 with some Needles NT 555R, and right here I got the letters. I went with the 2-inch needles right here. I got them from TireSticker.com. I'm gonna share this with you guys so you guys can get 50% off using this code when you checking out. So first thing you want to do is clean the tires with some acetone really good, like 4 to 5 times. Just clean them really good to get all the dirt, grease, anything on the tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. Okay, I already cleaned the tire. I had it wiped down 5 times until the towel came clean. And right now I got the letters. They're not stick yet. I just wanted to see how they were gonna line up and where I wanted to mount. I'll be covering the Needle 555 letters that come on the tire, but I will be leaving the size of it so I can see it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the distance from here and there and here are almost the same, so I think that's where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna then on this side, you wanna wipe this down with some acetone. Just be gentle, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the glue that came with the stickers. Alright, so I got some acetone. I'm gonna wipe them down for the same purpose, to make sure there's no dirt, any grease, anything in there. Well, I'm gonna have to do that again. 40 seconds. As you guys saw, you know, I pressed down for like 30 seconds. I'm gonna wait just a little longer on this one before I remove the tape, the white tape that they come with, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of them. On the instructions, they recommend, you know, for the temperature, like to be under 65, so that way you have time to work with the glue, because if it's hotter than that, you're not gonna have time to stick in, to put them on the tires. So, well, I'm gonna install the rest of them and I'll show you once it's all done. Well, just finished this one. I still got 3 more to go, but I mean, it's pretty easy to install them. I love how they look. These are the 2-inch wide. I mean, they look amazing, well, in my opinion. But some people might not like them, but yeah. All right, well, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I got 3 more to go, so I'll see you guys in the next one.